guys, welcome back to my channel. You know what we are going to do today, so let's just hop into it. This is the first look, by the way. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to set my face with some setting spray, just so I can make the pigments or the colors of the eyeshadows more pigmented. Now you can see this is a rubber stencil that I'm going to be using, and there are some cheap eyeshadows that I am going to be using for creating this look. So the first thing that you want to do is just cut out this heart shape stencil on a eraser. You can use a thermocol cutter as well, and then just keep adding pigments on it and then put it on your face, and you'll find a cute little heart. Even if it doesn't stand out much, you can use the brush or the handle that comes with the eyeshadows to make it look like a heart. Just make sure to clean the stencil every time you put another color on it. I'm cleaning with every step. So here I have added some Vaseline or lip balm kind of stuff so that the pigments or the shadows would stick to the stencil very nicely. Also guys, just in case you don't have eyeshadows, lip liners or eyeliners and all that, or even face paints would work amazing, and it will not harm your skin at all. Here I'm just adding some green, blue and purple to another side of my face, and that's what all you have to do. So I'm setting it with some setting spray, and now you can see that I've added some glitter. It's very not necessary to add glitter, but if you guys want to, then you can. And now I'm just creating these very optional streaks on my face, and I'm just adding green, blue and purple to the side where it has green, blue, purple hearts, and on the other side you can see it already has red, orange and yellow hearts and these streaks as well. Just in case you think it's way too much or it's very streaky, you can use a tissue to blend it out properly. Moving on to another look, you can see I'm using some paper tapes. Now the looks that I'm showing you in this video are literally for someone who doesn't do much makeup, doesn't has much skill in it. So here what you have to do is you have to cut out or take out equal parts or equal length basically, and then you can put it on your face according to where you want the flag to be. Now I know that I'm very much struggling with the tape, so I prefer to use this tape and not the regular kind, because the regular kind can really sag your skin and damage it in a way. So now you can see that I'm just putting on the eyeshadows. The first one that I put is red one, then the orange one, then the yellow one, and I'm working with green right now. Now guys, if you want to add some glitter you can, but it's not very much necessary. Again, it's all your choice. And just in case if you think the outlines are not very proper or they need to be more clean, use some concealer to cut out or just to hide those areas where it's not very clean. To clean it with a concealer you can, otherwise you can use a tissue to wipe it off. You can see I just sprayed some setting spray and I'm good to go. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this short video on how you can get ready for a Pride Parade, and I hope that you guys have a good day.